Hey guys, this is Heather Havenwood. I want to share with you guys what I'm doing today. This is kind of behind the scenes. I am actually doing a ton of videos today here in my girlfriend's house here in Austin. And I just have to say, look at that freaking view. Isn't it amazing? It's an amazing view. And I'm doing back-to-back interviews, or sorry, back-to-back videos today here in her house. I got a whole setup going on. And I'm doing that because I'm putting out a 90-day challenge. A 90-day challenge to help you and me selfishly to do 90 days straight of LinkedIn videos and YouTube videos at the same time. And it's gonna be super exciting. I've been doing a ton of videos on LinkedIn, but I really haven't done like the consistency every single day for 90 days. And my partner in this is Sharon. She is a badass. She's been doing videos on LinkedIn for 365 days. Yes. Straight, and she has not missed a beat even on Christmas and New Year's. Dang it, girl, right? So if you're interested in this, I'm doing a quick little shout out here on LinkedIn. This video is only for you on LinkedIn. I'm super excited about that. And I'm also getting ready for my mastermind that's coming up in 48 hours here in Austin called the Power Circle. So a lot of you sent out huge comments and thank you so much for that of congratulatory for my mastermind. So you guys rock. I'm gonna be tagging you in this video as well. And if you're interested at all in the 90-day challenge where you're gonna be challenged to start doing video, because you can do it. And I'm gonna teach you all the different tips and tricks and things like that I'm doing and my friend Sharon's doing together. If you let me know, just put hashtag sexyboss. Yeah, that's my hashtag sexyboss inside the comments or DM me and let me know and I'll send you the link versus like blasting it, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys are having an amazing day here on LinkedIn. And I just hit myself, that's awesome. Ow! And you guys rock. Mwah. Bye guys.